Here's a simple demo. The coding list is the same as on the left-hand side slide. So first, the demo is rolling a bubble. Okay, so let's run it. So this is the ball is rolling from left to right and right to left, right? And then this side, the XY coordinates um, of this shape ball, which means first to code is the XY coordinate of upper left, and then uh, the third and fourth are the XY coordinate of the lower right corner. All right, so I'll skip this. And then the other one is the drawing. So if we can make it and bigger so that we can draw and something here. For example, Mercy Cyber. All right, I think this is it.